The DJI Air 2S coming up. This is my drone. I researched several other drones out there, but in reality, I knew I was going to go with the DJI something. It's a great company. A friend showed me the Mavic Pro, and my want meter shot to full on. Main factors that guided my investigation and decisions were, number one, easy to fly, number two, the video capability, and number three, small enough to take around places. The first component was related to the need for a simple learning curve. That is, I could take off and immediately enjoy the output. The other features that I liked were the ability to return home and the GPS location capability. Essentially, if I lose signal, the drone knows to go to a preset height and return to the starting point. That's nice if you lose line of sight. And let's be honest, the small size of these drones means you lose line of sight easily beyond 200 feet or so altitude and 500 feet plus distance. Yeah, the FAA says you must maintain line of sight of the drone. However, in some cases this falls short, and having that return home feature is nice. There are a plethora of features related to the camera functions, and again, I'm an end user and I look for the simple and automatic. You can make significant adjustments to exposure and filters and frame rates, etc. I use the 4K and run. The images are fantastic and fit my need. I get amazing views and I can assess whatever I need to with the drone. I did go through the process to get an FAA drone license. This was primarily to prevent any legal confusion, that if I got paid for any of the footage shot, I wouldn't have any concern or complication. I suppose it was valuable to learn the basic rules, and it reinvigorated, at least for a time, my interest in flying and a private pilot's license. Really, this was a very simple process. I reviewed the rules and regulations of FAA Part 107, paid the $175 test fee, and took the test. There are plenty of review exams online and videos explaining the process. I would recommend doing this if you're serious about flying a drone and perhaps doing it professionally. The DJI Air 2S has worked for me. Simple to fly, great images. It's really all I needed.